Welcome back to another episode of Grind Time. Today I'll be showing you how to hire some of the best freelance mobile app developers across the internet, and that too at the most insanely cheap prices. So once you click on the link in the description which is attached below, you'll be redirected to this page. So once you reach this page, you will see that this is a Fiverr website where you can find all types of freelancers. So once you have reached this website through the link below, you can you can see that there is cross-platform development under the category mobile app development. So now it is your time to set your preferences, right? So we have four different types of preferences to set, which are service options, seller details, budget, and delivery time. The first one is the service options. We'll just quickly select our service options. We can select the app type. Should it be native, hybrid, other, or PWA? Service offerings. Do you want paid video consultations? And what kind of programming language do you want to use? I think there are about 14 options in programming languages, starting from React Native all the way to Java. And what kind of frameworks do you want to use? Flutter, Node.js, or anything else? All that you can select the tools you want to use. So basically, there are a lot of options to customize your preferences, right? You're selecting the preferences which are most suitable for your application, right? So if you're a bit confused about this, you can always go for video consultations, right? Paid video consultations. You can describe what kind of project you want to them and know whether they can do it or not. So it is always necessary to talk to the mobile app developers to let them know what you want from them. So I would always choose paid video consultants. So for now, I will choose all my options, all my preferences. For example, I'll be going for native, app type native, and paid video consultations. And I would like them to use React Native as a programming language. And let's say they use Flutter as the framework and Flutter Flow as a tool. You need to select your purpose. So let's say you are building this app for education, and what is the expertise you require from the app developers. So I'll just select cross browser device and what type of service it needs to include. It just I think we need both a functional iOS app and functional Android app. So I'm going to go ahead and select those. I'm going to click on apply. So we our results have been narrowed down to 12. So from them we can choose top rated and level 2, and the seller should definitely know how to speak English. It doesn't matter where they live in because it's completely online. I'm going to click on apply. And the next most important thing is to choose your budget. It can be under $215 or above. I would just say if you're a starter, I would say for going in the mid range to get a good value for the money you've paid. So for safety, I'm going to click both value and mid range. Oh, we can only select one of the options. So I'm going to choose mid range for now. And if you want your budget, if you have a custom budget, you can also give that in this option. So I'll just say from 100. Custom budget is for, let's say $100. No, $100 and apply. So we have not been able to get any options using $100 budget. So you'll definitely require more. So I'll just click on mid range, $215 to $500 and click on apply. It has further narrowed down my results to 7. And the next important thing is delivery time. So I would recommend that you give them time to make your app better, right? So they need to take their time to better your app. So I would say anytime. But if you require the app instantly, really fast, you can always choose Express 24 hours. That means the app will be designed and developed for you within 24 hours. I'm gonna go ahead and click on Express 24 hours, apply. There is again no other option for. I don't think any other developer that can develop a app in 24 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and click anytime back to my preferred option, apply. So we are left at 7 results. Let me check if there is up to 7 days in a week. Yes, there are 4 results for up to 7 days. So from about 500 results, you have narrowed it down to just 4 results. And I'll go ahead and select one of the guys from here. So I can see that Fiverr's choice. I can see a Fiverr's choice. Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and click on the Fiverr's choice because here, if you check the number of reviews he has gotten the most reviews, and he has got a 5-star rating too. 103 reviews and a 5-star rating. So I'm going to go ahead and click his ad, and I will select request to order, and I need to type all the requirements of my app application, and I need to send it to him. Let's say I'll just type I need I need a website for my I need a website to I need an application to upload my paid courses, and I'll just submit request to him. So as soon as he will send a reply as soon as he can, and when he sends back a reply uh, saying that whether he can or cannot do it, then I'll proceed to pay him, right? Only after he replies with a can do or cannot do message. So that's I've received the message already. Let's see. I'll just say for both. So you can continue to talk with them and then only proceed to pay, right? So I just so yes, the messaging is going on. I can have a conversation with him and know whether he can offer what I require, and then only the purchase the service. So that's some of the benefits of using Fiverr. So I'm gonna go ahead and go back, and after he has given us can do here, but after he has told that he can do it, we can go ahead and purchase the service. So that's how you can purchase mobile app development for iOS and Android. Thank you for listening, and that's the end of the video.